Well, Kev, what about this wonderful property here at 4 Evelyn Court in Dingley Village? Not only do you get a wonderful home, but look at this magnificent backyard out here.
Yes, and every cup day, the owners tell us that they mow a pitch down here and they play cricket.
Kev, roll one over. Smashing here, Kev. Great for entertainment, barbecues in the summer, all backing onto the park.
And our owners tell us that they walk home from Westall Station, which is only 4 kilometres away, after they've been at the races.
Let's go and have a look inside, Kev. The options are yours, folks. 3 bedrooms plus study, or 4 bedrooms, multiple living zones, the list goes on. And Kevin, what I love about this kitchen, from the moment you walk in, it's so welcoming, combining the timber with the white.
And it's such a calming kitchen. Even Jamie Oliver would cook up a storm in this kitchen.
Kev, I've even got my own naughty room, or storage. I can even get in there.
Brilliant. And what about the veggie patch?
Well, Kev, a truly magnificent home from front to back. Great for indoor entertaining, spacious living areas, and it gets even better when we go outside.
Absolutely. We can't wait to show you this home here at number 4 Evelyn Court in Dingley Village. Can I lick my finger and
no, don't,
get that off?
No, Kev, you're not doing that.